planted up something that is not only pretty, but it's actually practical. I made this gorgeous salad bowl, and there are a few really important tips to follow when making a salad bowl. Number one, you want to keep this evenly damp. Do not let this dry out too much in between, because it takes a lot of energy for that salad to produce for you. The other thing is too, since you're watering so often, make sure that you give it a really good organic fertilizer like Root Boost. I would do this every 2 weeks. And 3, have fun, get creative. Mix and match flowers and veggies and herbs, go for it. You can do that. This bowl is that example of a mixed and match bowl. I love it because in the front, gorgeous red leaf lettuce. This will keep producing for you. Don't let it bolt, keep cutting it, enjoy it in your salad, and then it'll come right back for you. Trailing nasturtium with red and yellow and orange flowers, completely edible. Put this in your salad, it'll look gorgeous, you'll really impress your friends. Then we have pansies. A lot of people probably don't know that our cold weather friends actually are edible. You can eat the flowers, you can eat the leaves, it has kind of a wintergreen taste to it. Muscari is even edible, but look at the nice color that it adds to the center of this bowl, making it so pretty. And then we have arugula. This is the time of the year for arugula and lettuces to be planted. They love this cold weather, guys. So not only is this bowl super practical, something that would be really fun to plant up with your kids and something that they're really going to enjoy harvesting, and how exciting for them to take a pansy and say, Mom, I can really eat this. Yes, you can. So enjoy this bowl. I put it on your front step. If it gets a little chilly, you can bring it in at night. Otherwise, it's a perfect combination of herbs and flowers and lettuce, and enjoy. Thanks a bunch. See you next time.